Early Friday morning, a group of horses escaped from their stable and has been causing chaos along the Bernard Lodge main road in St. Catherine. While some have been captured, others are still on the loose, creating a lot of trouble for drivers. Just last night, 4 vehicles were badly damaged after colliding with several of the horses. Sadly, at least 3 of the horses died from the impact. One driver shared his experience, saying he was driving along the road when about 7 horses came charging towards his car. He stopped, hoping they would run past him, but instead, the horses jumped on his car. Some even got on the roof. They kicked out his windscreen and trampled all over the car, smashing it completely. He said he had to lie down on his side in the car until the horses left. This isn't the first time horses have caused problems on this road. Back in the early 2000s, there were frequent reports of horses suddenly appearing on the same stretch at night, causing accidents. No one knew where the horses came from, and because of this, some people believed they were Duppy horses, ghostly horses that mysteriously showed up to cause accidents. There was even talk of a white horse being the most dangerous of all. My schoolmate lost her sister and her sister's partner in one of these accidents. They swerved to avoid the horses and ended up crashing into mango trees that lined the road. Later, we found out the horses were real and had escaped from a stable, just like the recent incident. These horses were known to be aggressive, even attacking vehicles. So, if you're driving along the Bernard Lodge main road, especially at night, be very careful. The Duppy horses may not be ghosts, but they're definitely real and dangerous.